How you doing today?
Good.
You ready to be my helper? Mm-hmm. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Dylan.
And we are here for another episode of Key Lime Kids, where we teach you a kitchen skill and then demonstrate a recipe on how to use that skill. You ready to get started? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna learn how to cut avocados today. Everybody loves avocados, so creamy, so popular. We're gonna learn how to cut them the right way, safely, and then make avocado toast. You ready?
Yummy!
Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna cut all the way around, starting at the top and going all the way around the avocado. And this is up to parents to make the decision on if your kids can use a knife or if you do it for them. And then give that a twist for me and open it up. Yep, this pops right open. And then I'm gonna take this sharp knife and just get the pit out. See, comes right out. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna have you take one of the avocados and we're gonna score it so that it gets chopped up. You don't even need to like scoop it out of here. You don't need a cutting board for it. We're just gonna cut it up in the skin. It's gonna be really easy. Okay. Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm. You're gonna score it and you're gonna cut it all the way through. The nice thing about avocados is they're super soft and you can use a really safe knife to do this task. You don't need a really sharp knife. You just want to go all the way down, all the way through, and cut it right in the skin. Perfect. Good job. And then you go sideways. Yep. Make sure you're holding it, got a good grip on the avocado so it doesn't move around in your hand. Good job. We even have those kid plastic knives, you know, they're like chef's knives, but for kids, and they're made out of plastic. If you have those, you could use something like that too. That'd be really safe.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so we've got the score lines in there and we have a fork and we're just gonna mash it a little bit in the skin itself. And you just want it to get a little bit creamy. Just help it. Avocado toast is so yummy, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's a really great snack. This is a great technique to use if you want to use, if you want to make guacamole too, just to mash up your avocado in here and score it like that. So you keep mashing. I'm gonna just scoop it out and then you just use the same fork. Scoop out your avocado and you can put anything on top that you like.
Is that good?
Yeah, that looks perfect. You wanna grab your toast? Should we move a little closer?
Yeah.
We move it closer and make it easier. What do you like on top of your avocado toast?
I like salt and olive oil.
Oh, that's good. Miles likes paprika, doesn't he? Mm-hmm. Yep. I think I'm gonna do one for him for a snack now, and I'm gonna mix it up though. I think I'm gonna put lime juice, because I think he likes lime juice a lot on his too. And we've got some sesame seeds. I think that could be really good on it. I think sunflower seeds is really good. And then of course we've got some nice salt over there. And yep, that's perfect. You wanna just finish making yours? You can squeeze a little salt or sprinkle a little salt on it. Do you like black pepper or no?
I'll do a little bit.
Okay. And then drizzle a little olive oil. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna squeeze some lime on. Yummy. Perfect midday snack, isn't it? Or breakfast. Really anything.
How much should I do?
How much do you like?
Not too much, but...
Just the right amount? All right, we hope you learned how to cut an avocado safely for everything from avocado toast to guacamole to salads. Perfect. High five. Thanks, sister.
Yep.